Dear Honorable Mayor, dear Governor, dear Mr. Bruno, dear Mr. Calendar, Excellencies, honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for the invitation. It is an honor and a pleasure for me to be here. As member of the German Embassy, I would like to say a few words concerning the bilateral relations between Turkey and Germany. They are unique. We have very strong personal ties, as more than 3 million people with Turkish roots live in Germany. At least 4 million that were working in Germany or have been trained there came back to Turkey. We have strong economic ties. Germany is the most important trading partner of Turkey. We are the largest importer of Turkish goods, and we are the second largest exporter to Turkey. Tourism is another cornerstone of our close relationship. In 2019, before the pandemic, more than 5 million German tourists visited Turkey. They spent about $3.6 billion US. For two countries that are not neighbors and come from a different cultural background, this is unique in the world. And that's why we are here. That's why we support this event. As I said, tourism is one of the cornerstones of our relations, and of course we would like more Germans to come to Turkey, to see the lovely country, to see the beautiful Tokat, which we have seen here. And thank you very much again for this invitation. And of course, the European Union, Germany, are determined to sustainability, and we want the ecotourism to grow further, and hope that this event helps to grow the tourism, the ecotourism, and that it will be very successful, and that it helps that more Germans and more other visitors from all countries of the world come to Turkey and come to Tokat. That's what I wish. Thank you very much for the attention. Ciao.